Hello, so for this I'm making custom AirPod cases, and this you would need water, some small thin paint brushes, and a pen to outline what you want to do, like a sketch, and then you need some tape and actual AirPod case. This one I got off of Amazon. And then you would also need some paint, more paint, and even more paint, and yeah. So once you got all of your materials, you're gonna take some tape and tape like a square, but you could do any shape you want. I did a square because I'm attempting to do a scenery, but you could paint whatever you want. So once you're done, I tried to tape it like a million times, but I'm pretty sure you will. And so now you're going to take your pen and outline what you want to be doing. And I'm doing a scenery like I said before. So once you're done with that, you're going to take your small paintbrushes and start painting the background. I like to paint the background before the foreground, so it makes like an in-depth type look. Also, this might take you like a couple of layers to get like a solid color. So now, once I finish with the background, I'm starting to add clouds. And so once I finish with the background, I'm going to be painting gray mountains, and you don't have to do gray mountains, you could do like brown mountains. Now once I finish with the mountains, I'm going to do the water, and I add multiple different types of blues. Also, as a wave effect, I added white and smeared it out. Then once I finish with the water, I'm starting to add sand, and I used like an ivory color and I highlighted it with more white. Now all that's left to do is to take the tape off. And to make it like it's a frame and to make it pop, I added some gold all around. And once you've done that, you're finished.